Good morning to all students. In this video, we are going to talk about the quantum numbers. So, what are the quantum numbers? The quantum numbers are used to find the energy of electron, position of electron, and nature of electron in any atom. Okay. So, how they will behave in the presence of electric field or magnetic field. Mainly, we will talk about their behavior in the presence of magnetic field. Okay. So to define this, we use four index numbers that are called four quantum numbers. Okay. So the very first quantum number in this is principal quantum number. Okay. So principal quantum number tells us about the main energy level of electron. That's mean the main shell where the electron is situated. Okay. And the energy level where electron can be found. Okay. The principal quantum number denoted by n, and the energy of electron mainly depends upon the value of n. So higher the value of n, higher will be the energy of electron. The value of n starts from 1 and continues till infinity, because there can be as many as shells in an atom, okay, as we can imagine. Okay, but it never becomes zero. That we will never found a atom that is not a single shell. Okay, so the value of n here, as you can see, starts from 1 and continues till infinity. Okay, in any shell the maximum number of electrons are equal to 2n square. Now here is the physical significance, one of the physical significance of the principal quantum number, that it tells us about the maximum number of electron that can be present or that can be filled in an shell. Okay, so that will be equal to the 2n square. Okay, so if the value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means the first orbit's first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell, fifth, sixth, and so on. So what will be the maximum number of electrons that can be filled in that shell? So the maximum number of electrons that can be filled will be equals to 2n square, and for the respective shells it will be, for first shell only 2 electrons can be filled in it, for shell second only 8 electron can be filled, for shell third 18 electron can be filled, and so on. And also with the help of the principal quantum number, we can find the radius of the shell, okay, and energy of the individual electron present in that shell. So the formula that is used to find the radius is like this: 0.529 multiplied by n square upon z angstrom. Okay, angstrom is a unit to measure the radius, okay, and it is equals to the 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Here the n is the principal quantum number and z is the atomic number. Okay, and for energy is equals to the minus 13.6 multiplied by z square upon n square electron volt. Electron volt is the energy unit for the atoms or for the electrons, as the energy of electrons or atoms are in a very small magnitude, so we use electron volt to define their energy. 1 electron volt is equals to the